All right, to do the intro of Three Little Birds, I'm going to start with my A shape. So index finger there on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and I surround it. So I have my A chord, right? And I'm going to pluck the root, and I'm going to strum. So it's a root strum to start. Okay. Then I release my fingers, except I keep my index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and I'm going to play 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret. Okay, so far it's root, strum. Okay, then I go down to my 2nd string, pinky, on the 5th fret. Index finger moves to that 2nd string now from the 3rd. Then I go 4th fret on my 3rd string, and my index finger goes back to where it started on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then I go back to my A shape. So it's root, strum, 2, 4, 2. Next string, 2nd string, right? 5, 2, 4, 2, and I just do that over and over.